1, 2,
3.
Halo teman-teman di seluruh Indonesia dan di seluruh dunia, kembali lagi bersama kami di channel.
Oh, baik.
Jadi teman-teman, hari ini kita mau buat video Q&A. Uli lagi tidur siang, kita nggak bawa dia ikut video karena dia lagi bawa, oke? Jadi stay tune. Jadi teman-teman, ini seperti janjiku 400.000 subscribers. Terima kasih untuk supportnya keluarga online buat kita semua.
Thank you so much.
Karena kita sampai sejauh ini karena dukungan dari keluarga online juga. Jadi ini aku janji bakalan baca pertanyaan dari keluarga online dari YouTube ya, bukan dari Instagram. Karena aku janji ya dari YouTube. Jadi kita bakalan baca. Nanti kalau sama palingan satu yang mewakili pertanyaannya, oke? Jadi ini ada pertanyaan pertama dari Namayo. Pertanyaannya, Bang, saya kan masih remaja, jadi belum pernah menghadapi sesuatu masalah yang serius. Nah, pertanyaannya, bagaimana Abang menyikapi sebuah masalah?
First of all, you have to address any kind of problem calmly, as in you have to relax, you have to take a breath in, out, and then think. I mean, the more you panic, the more you get nervous, the worse it becomes because you get confused and you're losing any possible solutions you could have had. Don't be afraid to face the problems. Problems are only making us stronger. These are some challenges, something that tries us to get better. Always remember that there is a solution to anything, as long as you're alive.
Jadi itu dia dari Mama Uli, ya hampir sama lah ya sama dia ya. Ini ada lagi pertanyaan dari Bob Ketawa Simamora. Lai Beni bisa lama tinggal di Ukraina, apakah sudah dapat izin tinggal di sana atau masih pakai paspor Indonesia atau sudah warga negara Ukraina? Aku masih warga negara Indonesia. Ini banyak juga keluarga lain yang tanya. Aku itu masih warga negara Indonesia, tapi punya izin tinggal di sini, permanent residence, oke?
We hoping that in Ukraine double citizenship will be allowed soon, hopefully. So in that way, we're not gonna have to bother with that. But so far, I don't want Benny to lose his Indonesian citizenship.
Ini ada dari Joel Pranata. Bang, mau tanya, Mama Uli udah bisa bahasa Indonesia belum? Ya, dia bisa. You can little by little. You can catch.
I'm learning. Unfortunately, we do not have resources here in Indonesian. Oh, I'm sorry, in Ukraine as much as in, for example, in Europe. I hardly can find anything on the internet that will help me to learn Indonesian, as in from books or courses or whatever the classes. So I'm just picking up from Uli and Benny, that's it. But I'm trying, I'm really stressing.
Jadi dia masih tapi dia kadang bisa nangkap kalau aku lagi ngomong sama Uli, dia bisa nangkap. Kadang dia juga jawab bahasa Indonesia sesekali. Kadang ikut-ikutan bahasa Batak ya kan. Ini ada dari Ryuken Lee. Aku penasaran nih Bang, jalanan di Ukraina banyak berlubang seperti di Indonesia nggak? Terutama di pedesaan. Kalau di pedesaan pasti banyak ya jalanan berlubang. They say is there a lot of street with hole in Ukraine?
Oh.
I said yeah, the street, the road.
Oh yes.
Yeah, I say yes.
This is our second name.
Masih banyak kalau di Ukraina ya. Jadi ini ada pertanyaan dari Azlan Johan. Pertanyaannya,
Okay, so lihat tanya aku bayangin film horor dan psikopat. Seperti bagian apakah di sana aman bang? Well, no, that forest is isolated. I mean, it's far away. It's not mountains, so there are no like wild bears or wolves or whatever. You might find some foxes in there, maybe hedgehogs.
it's a snake there, as you say.
Yeah, we do have a lot of snakes, and in that area there might be a lot of snakes, but we don't have a lot of them as in, no, it's not as Indonesia, no. And it's, maybe maybe the picture looks just because it's it's European
Yeah, because
kind
it's-
of movies and they all the same. I mean,
Because look quiet and then
it's not jungles.
not a lot of people.
Jungles are a lot more dangerous than this. But it all depends on humans that appear in there. If humans are nice in that forest, there's no danger. But if people get crazy in there, well, that might be a little bit funky. So yeah.
Jadi itu, oke? Jadi aman-aman aja. Tapi kalau nggak aman pasti kan nggak tahu, tenang aja. Jadi ini dari Jen Miranda. Horas itu ada juga ya sekarang yang suka cari mushroom, bisa tolong buatkan videonya. Yeah, there is. We collect mushroom.
Yeah, we do.
What?
Normally mushrooms are autumn, like approximately. So starting beginning of August, September, October, this is like a hot season for the mushrooms. Though sometimes they might appear as well. Like for example, right now in the mountains, we have those like giant big white mushrooms. But unfortunately not here. I don't know
Harus
why.
ke gunung cari yang besar mushroomnya, enak tuh besar. Tapi ini belum musimnya. Kalau ada musimnya nanti kalau bisa ya kami harus tanya orang dulu. Tapi kalau di kampung mertua di sana itu banyak mushroom karena mertua aku juga sering dulu nyari. Aku juga udah pernah ikut. Tapi kalau
Once
di
we
sini-
find the way where it is, we really want to go and collect it because I mean,
it's
yeah.
good to see.
and we're gonna cook them as well. They're just
Lanjut. Ini dari Halo Indonesia. Uli kapan sekolahnya toh? Selama nggak sekolah diajar membaca dan berhitung nggak Uli? Ya Uli belum masuk sekolah. Ya, di sini taman kanak-kanak kayak kindergarten gitu ya. Jadi kita nggak masukin, kebetulan tadi dia mau masuk kan, kita baru pindah. Nah dokumennya semua udah beres dan dia udah tahu kita di mana dia bakal masuk. Dia dekat dari sini, tinggal 5 menit jalan dari sini, jadi aman kalau ada apa-apa tinggal gampang. Kalau soal baca menulis dia bisa belajar sendiri, bisa kita ajarin, bisa nanti kadang dia tulis 1 sampai 10, 1 sampai 15 terus kita dikasih tahu dibaca bahasa Indonesia, dia baca bahasa Ukraina. Dia pintar. ABC, ABCD, dia kadang sih nyanyi bahasa Inggris kayak gitu, oke? Ini ada dari Win Ida 17. Bang, bagaimana rasanya bawa atau nyetir mobil sebelah kiri? Kan beda tuh sama mobil-mobil, if they like this, mobil-mobil di Indonesia yang kita nyetir sebelah kanan. Awalnya sih aku kaget karena aku waktu datang ke sini pernah diajaran mertua aku. Kita pas di hutan itu yang kita mau ke danau, aku dikasih mertua aku nyetir, aku selalu pergi ke sebelah kanan, nyetirnya dari kiri, tapi aku pergi ke kanan. Tunggu. Aku pergi ke kiri, kita kayak nyetir di Indonesia, aku ikutin. Nggak taunya harusnya nyetir dari kiri, tapi aku harus di kanan jalannya. About this driving?
yeah.
Remember Tato give me the first time?
Oh yeah.
And then I go to the left side?
That
It's
was
supposed to be to the left side.
whoa.
Dan ada traktor, remember the traktor come down? Ada traktor pas turun dari atas, kita lagi panen kan, mertua kalau semua beri kesini. Dari situ aku belajar pelan-pelan, oke? Jadi pasti kaget ya bawa nyetirnya. Ini ada pertanyaan dari Ira Sitanggang. Horasito. Ini pertanyaannya ini bahasa Batak ya, tapi aku baca bahasa Batak. Ahado alasannya disebut hal itu aka subscriber sebagai keluarga online. Soalnya agak bangga disebut keluarga. Mulai tegurang. Katanya kenapa aku panggil para subscriber keluarga online? Karena kita merasa dekat dengan kalian semua keluarga online. Jadi ya family kami banyak lah istilahnya kan. Nggak cuma ada di dunia nyata, di dunia online juga banyak yang selalu support dan mendukung kita, terus ngasih komentar positif terus. Kalau ada yang nyerang kita, bukan kita dulu.
There's somebody trying to
protect us all the
say
time.
something. We don't really have a chance to answer anything because you already answered it for us.
Yeah.
And it's sort of like very defensive and nice, kind of family-like protection, which we do feel. So that's amazing. We're blessed with having your connection, your response. I mean, sometimes even being here, we don't get what we have online, so that's, yes, we really appreciate that.
Jadi begitu ya. Jadi makanya karena kita merasa dekat dengan semuanya. Karena mana ya? Pokoknya lantar katakanlah, nggak terbilang pokoknya. Ini ada pertanyaan dari Apotheosis. Nah, you read.
kapan kayak ajak keluarga ke Indonesia? So when we're going to meet our family in Indonesia? We were planning actually to go this August. That was a big plan, to be completely honest with you, but now it's a bit complicated and hard, just as well to cross the border. We're not allowed in Indonesia yet.
No, they open already. But
I know, but Ukraine is not on the list of visiting Indonesia.
Jadi itu dia, kita menunggu pandemik ini dulu, agak ini dulu, aman dulu, baru nanti kita rencanain pulang. Oke? Kita juga pengen pulang. Ini pertanyaan yang sering muncul juga. Ini pertanyaannya dari Bandriana Yana. Banyak juga bertanya ini. Kalau boleh tahu Bang Benny dan Kak Tania kerjanya apa sekarang? Nah, aku sekarang lagi di YouTube aja fokusnya. Terus fotografer belum ada ya, akhir-akhir ini masih kosong. Terus Tania itu tadinya kerja di bagian IT kan. Nah, dia itu udah aku suruh berhenti kerja biar di rumah aja, biar main sama Ulia. Terus aku fokus buat video, maksudnya waktu aku kerja di video biar Ulia ada teman main, biar jadi nggak dia kerja di luar, aku kerja dari rumah, tapi fokusnya ke ini kan buat video kan nggak enak, Ulinya kasihan. Jadi kadang ganti-gantian kami, aku yang fokus ke Uli, dia bagian rumah fokusnya, kadang aku bagian rumah, dia bagian
the
fokus
main
ke Uli.
idea is to focus on Uli.
Yeah.
Basically, I need to make sure that she's ready and adjusted to school and all that, because I've been away for quite a while. I'm well working now. I have to get back.
Ini ada pertanyaan dari Edi HS. Ini biasanya bilang opung. Jadi pertanyaannya sederhana, kapan Uli dikasih adik? Kapan Uli dikasih adik? Kita itu pengen ya, tapi kita harus lihat situasi dulu opung ya. Karena di sini masih banyak juga pandemiknya, terus banyak juga yang harus kita nggak masih buru-buru. We not rush now to have baby. No, I mean we plan it, but depends on God. If it, no, I mean, no comment.
I don't mind even now, but if the situation with this pandemic is so harsh, I mean, I cannot risk. We have to make sure that it's safe outside. And then we just like, because Uli's asking for it every single practically day. And then there's just, I mean, she needs a friend. She needs friends. She would like to have a lot of friends. Not too much. Sensibly. But then, yeah, it's just, we need to make sure that the atmosphere outside is healthy enough. That's it.
Ini ada pertanyaan dari PJR. Pertanyaanku banyak kali. Berapa tanah per meter square di kota kalian Ternopil? Dirupiahkan. Apa mata uang? Mata uangnya herinnya. Berapa kurs mata uang tersebut ke rupiah? Kurs mata uangnya ke rupiah itu satu herinnya itu 500 rupiah. Oke? Terus how much per square meter? Depends the land, right?
The land or the
Yeah, the land.
apartment?
Yeah, the land.
It depends on the location. In the villages is a lot cheaper, obviously around the city. In the city is more expensive. We don't measure in square meters. It's get close to square meters. So that will be like, for example, if you had 100 square meters area, that would be around $10,000, $12,000 for just the land itself. That's somewhere close to the city. Within the city, maybe even more expensive, obviously. And responsibly, that would be the house with the land. That would be enormous.
Expensive.
That's why if we hope in near future to buy a house. So if we'll be able to do that, I prefer to buy a house somewhere close to the city, not within the city exactly. Because first of all, a lot more expensive. Another thing, we don't get to have that beautiful view. We don't get to have that much land. And we want a garden and we want a field and
Jadi itu dia jawabannya. Karena ini kalau soal harga tanah itu tergantung dia dekat ke kota. Semakin ke desa semakin murah dia. Semakin ke kota semakin mahal dia harganya. Oke? Jadi keluarga online kami semuanya itu dia pertanyaan yang bisa kami jawab untuk saat ini untuk kalian. Semoga kalian terhibur, oke? Oh ya, jangan lupa ini kalian aktifkan loncengnya supaya notifikasinya dapat terus karena masih banyak ini yang komen di YouTube, komen di Instagram, katanya nggak dapat video. Jadi aktifkan loncengnya, like, komen banyak-banyak, subscribe. Ya kalau kalian mau, nggak terpaksakan.
Yeah, and in your comment you can also mention what you would like to know more about either Ukraine or what we do. I mean, if you have any ideas that
Ya,
you
mau
can make
masak,
us-
traveling.
what you want us to cook for you. Anything Ukrainian, anything Indonesian, anything whatever, just let us know. I mean, we're all available
Ya
for
online,
you.
keluarga online.
Keluarga online.
Jadi semoga kalian terhibur seperti biasa. Jangan lupa like dan subscribe supaya semakin banyak lagi video yang kalian buat. Terima kasih, Horas dari Indonesia. Tiba-tiba Uli, dadah Indonesia. Dadah.